Hi everyone, my name is Reina Blanca and I'm a member of Group 2. For today, me and my groupmates will be explaining and showing to you how to solve the product of two binomials and square of a binomial. Our group consists of Aljon Belido, Marie Sai, Lucas Basco, Silas Fermenta, and Liam Hedelio. First of all, what is a binomial? Let us call Liam.
A binomial is an algebraic expression consisting of two terms connected by a plus sign or a minus sign.
That is correct. So today we will explain about the product of two binomials and the square of a binomial. We will have three examples for each topic so that we can show you and explain to you how to solve them. First would be the FOIL method for the product of two binomials. Let's call Tyler to explain the examples.
FOIL method. In FOIL method, FOIL means first, outer, inner, last. So we are going to solve it like that. We have an equation here, x times positive 2 and x times negative 3. And we're gonna go through how to solve it. First, we multiply the first term in both parentheses to get the first term. You need to look at the binomial and take the first term from each parenthesis. So it will be x and multiply. X times x is equals to x squared. Second, we multiply outer terms of both parentheses. The outer terms you need to look and find the terms farthest from the middle, so which are x and negative 3. So you multiply. X times negative 3 is equals to negative 3 times x. Third, we multiply the inner terms of the two parentheses. To get the inner terms, you will need to take the terms in the middle of the binomial, which are 2 and x, then multiply. 2 times x is equals 2x. Then last but not least, we need to combine the last term of the two parentheses. To get the two parentheses, take the second term from each of the parentheses, which are 2 and negative 3, then multiply. 2 times negative 3 is equals to negative 6. Then arrange into our equation x squared is negative 3x times positive 2x and negative 6. To get the final answer, we combine like terms. To combine like terms, we need to make sure that the exponent of the term is the same. In this situation, the like terms are negative 3 and positive 2x. Negative 3x and positive 2x. And you need to add them. The answer will be negative x. So the answer will be equals to negative x squared, negative x, and negative 6. That's the final answer. Here's another example. Negative 2x plus 3 and 4x minus 5. First, we multiply the first terms, which are negative 2x and 4x, then multiply. Negative 2x times 4x equals to negative 8x. Second, we multiply the outer term, which are negative 2x and negative 5, and multiply. Negative 2x times negative 5 is equals to 10x. Third, we multiply the inner terms, which are 3 and 4x, and multiply. 3 times 4x is equals to 12x. Then multiply last terms. 3 times negative 5 is equals to negative 15. Then arrange. Negative 8x squared plus 10x plus 12x and negative 15. Then combine like terms to make sure that they have the same variable and exponent. The like terms here are 10x and 12x. And if you add them, the answer will be 22x. So the final answer will be negative 8x squared plus 22x and negative 15. Here's another example. 2x minus 4uv and 5uv minus 6x. First, we multiply the first terms. 2xuv times 5xuv is equals to 10xuv. Then we multiply the outer terms. 2x and negative 6x is equals to negative 12x squared. Then we multiply the inner terms. Negative 4uv times 5uv is equals to negative 20uv. Then multiply the last terms. Negative 6x and negative 4uv is equals to 24xuv. Then we arrange 10xuv and 12x squared and negative 20uv squared plus and positive 24xuv. Then combine like terms which are equal to 34xuv, negative 12x squared and 20uv squared. That's the final answer. And those are all the examples.
Thank you, Tyler. That was such a great explanation for the product of two binomials. You did a great job. Next will be the square of a binomial. Like I said earlier, we will also have 3 examples for this topic. So now, let's call one Lucas to explain and present.
3 steps method or square of a binomial. There are 3 steps in square of the binomial. First, we need to square the first term. Second, we need to multiply 2 to the product of the terms in the binomial. Third, we need to square the last term. To understand this more, I will explain these equations. Number 1, x minus 2 squared. To solve this, first we need to square the first term of the binomial, x squared. Then, multiply the terms in the binomial. The terms in the binomial are x and negative 2. If you multiply them, you will get negative 2x. After you get the product of the terms, multiply the product to 2, which will equal to negative 4x. Then, we square the last term of the binomial. Negative 2 squared equals 4. Then arrange, so the final answer will be x squared minus 4x plus 4. That's the final answer. Number 2, 2x minus 5 squared. We have an equation here, 2x minus 5 squared, and to solve this, first, we need to square the first term. The first term here is 2x, so we need to square this, which will equal to 4x squared. Again, we multiply 2 terms in the binomial, which are 2x and negative 5, equals negative 10x, and multiply 10 to 2, which will be negative 20x. Third and last step, we square the second term in the binomial. Negative 5 squared equals 25. To get the final answer, arrange it. 4x squared minus 20x plus 25. That's the final answer. Here's the last but not the least example. Number 3, 3x plus 4 squared. As said, we need to square the first term in the binomial. Then, we multiply the 2 terms in the binomial, which are 3x and 4, equals 12x. Then multiply 12x to 2, which is 24x. And then, we need to square the second term of the binomial. 4 squared equals 16. Then arrange it. 9x squared plus 24x plus 16. That's the final answer.
Thank you, Lucas. You explained just as well as Tyler. Well, I hope we've done a great job in explaining how to solve the product of two binomials and square of a binomial. That was it for Group 2. Thank you for listening. I sure hope that you understood the video properly.
need to look and find the terms farthest from the middle, so which are x and negative 3. So you multiply. X times negative 3 is equals to negative 3 times x. Third, we multiply the inner terms of the two parentheses. To get the inner terms, you will need to take the terms in the middle of the binomial, which are 2 and x, then multiply. First, outer, inner, last. So, saglit nga ang ingay.
Kaya